This is our KYT platform. KYT is nothing but know your transactions. We have used one API that can be able to provide real-time analysis of transactions to identify suspicious activities. To access the platform, we need to do the registration. So here in the registration page, we need to enter the username and then the email ID and then the mobile number. We should have to enter the valid mobile number. So otherwise it shows the error. So I need to enter the valid mobile number and then the password. We need to set a strong password for the platform. And then we need to enter the confirm password and then we need to click on the register button. So the registration has been successful and the activate email link will be sent to our registered email ID. So in the email address under the inbox, I can be able to see the email confirmation button. So I need to click on the confirm your email button and then it will be redirect to the login page. Here in the login page, we need to enter the email ID and password and click on the login button. So now my login has been completed successfully and I can be able to see the user dashboard where I can be able to access all the models like dashboard, monitoring, risk assessment, report, deposit, withdraw and their histories. To access the deposit and withdraw, we need to complete the KYC. So to complete the KYC, we need to go to the profile section. So under the profile icon, we need to complete the details like username, country, email ID. And once we have updated the information, we need to go to the KYC section and we need to select the country and ID proof. Here I have choose the Aadhaar card as a ID proof. So here I need to upload the documents for the Aadhaar card like front side proof and the back side proof. Now I am attaching from my file manager. So I have updated the front and back side of the proof. So once after that, I need to complete the selfie photo. So I am uploading the selfie profile pic and click on the next button. So now the KYC details has been submitted for verification. So still in under the dashboard we can be able to see the KYC status is pending. Why? Because the admin needs to approve the KYC via admin panel. So now I logged into the admin panel and in the admin panel under the KYC management we can be able to see the KYC status and the documents. Admin needs to approve or reject accordingly. So once after the approval from the admin, we can be able to see the completed status, which means the verified status of KYC in the user side. So here under the dashboard, under the KYC verification, we can be able to see the KYC status as verified. Then so here we can be able to see there is no transactions found under the monitoring and risk assessment and then the report column. Why? Because we didn't start the transactions. Now I am going to the deposit page and copy the admin panel admin address private key and then I am going to the MetaMask and I have added the admin account. So here I have added as a account number 8. So here I don't have any balance right now since I didn't started the deposit. Once after copying the account details of the admin, I need to choose the currency and then I need to enter the amount, like how much I need to deposit, like 0.01001 something I have to enter and click on submit, and it will be notified in the MetaMask. So I need to open the MetaMask and I need to confirm the transaction to get the successful deposit. Now the deposit has been completed successfully and I get the positive toaster message as well. Also, I can be able to see the transaction status in the deposit history. I can be able to export the data as well. Now in the monitoring section, we can be able to see the transaction details and the status which has been reported as successful. Also in the risk assessment module, we can be able to see the status and the status as successful. In all the three modules like monitoring, risk assessment and report, we can be able to see the successful status. Now I am going to the withdraw page and I am entering the withdraw amount, how much I want to withdraw, and click on the withdraw button. And this request for the withdrawal has been submitted to the admin, and in the admin panel under the withdraw